Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork tapa. First, slice 1 pound of pork shoulder into thin, bite-sized pieces. Next, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 cloves of minced garlic for your marinade. Mix well, then add the pork. Ensure all pieces are coated, then marinate for at least 30 minutes or ideally, overnight in the refrigerator for best flavor. Now that your pork is beautifully marinated, it's time to cook it to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the marinated pork in a single layer, avoiding overcrowding. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes, or until nicely browned and cooked through. You might need to cook in batches to achieve that perfect sear and tenderness. Your delicious pork tapa is now ready to be served. For a classic Filipino breakfast, pair it with warm garlic fried rice and a perfectly fried egg. A sprinkle of fresh, chopped green onions adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. For an extra kick, a small bowl of vinegar garlic dipping sauce on the side truly elevates the experience. Enjoy this hearty and flavorful meal. So there you have it, a simple yet incredibly satisfying recipe for homemade pork tapa. Remember, the key to a truly flavorful tapa lies in a good marinade, so don't rush that step. Cooking in batches also ensures each piece gets that perfect golden brown sear and remains tender. We hope you enjoy making this classic dish at home. Before you go, if you're looking to keep things fresh beyond the kitchen, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice air fresheners, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.